Welcome, folks, to the Cooper City Car Show. I'm James Wright. I'm chairman of the board for the Antique Automobile Club of America Fort Lauderdale region. This is the annual Cooper City Car Show that we do every year here. We got 80 gorgeous cars here today on a beautiful sunny afternoon. It's just a beautiful place to have a car show.
I'm Frank Byler. I live in Boca Raton, Florida. What I have here today is a 1935 Auburn Bobtail Speedster that was manufactured in Auburn, Indiana. Auburn Motor Car Company was founded in 1927 and they ran until 1936 when they went out of business. The claim to fame with this car is that this is a sister car to the Auburn Ford Duesenberg family, which are the three cars that that company produced in that small town, 9,000 population, outside of Fort Wayne, Indiana. This car produced less than 500 copies, and it was designed originally as a automobile that would bring people into the showroom. So they had all these cars sitting there that weren't selling. So the president of the car company at that time was pretty ingenious. He said, let's build a car that's going to attract attention, and we can get people in the showroom and be able to sell our standard model cars. So that was the intention. So they built the first and second one, and Cary Grant, Clark Gable were given these cars as a way to introduce them to the public, and then they started to sell them. The car sold for about $1,600 in 1934, 35, 36. Same time, you can buy a Chevrolet for under $300. So it was a pretty high-end car for the time, right after the Depression. The car today, there's probably less than 200 of them left in existence anywhere in the world. These cars are today commanding prices from $400,000 to $700,000, depending on condition of the car. I found it in the barn, and it was covered in dust and dirt. Been sitting there for many years. 4 flat tires. It didn't have a top, and it didn't look anything like it does today. So I bought the car 19 years ago. Had it delivered back here to South Florida, and started rebuilding the car. And it took me about the first 12 years to get it looking decent. And now I just enjoy it and take it out on a special occasion and have fun with it. This is my 1932 Chevrolet 5-window coupe. I've had the car since February of 2008. I found the car locally. It was a drivable car, but it needed a lot of work. So I purchased it in 2008 and spent 2 years. We did a full frame-off restoration on the car. We got it finished about March of 2010. The car is a joy to drive. It runs really well. It's the inline 6-cylinder Chevrolet, they call it stove boat 6-cylinder. The car, I took it to Flint, Michigan in 2011 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Chevrolet. And this car won 3rd place in its class at the Chevrolet meet in Flint, Michigan.
All right, here's one from the Bowery Boys.
30
Saw
or
these
40
guys up at
cars
the
on display
festival
there,
show.
so I'm really proud of it. Jane Michelson. This is my 1933 Buick Model 67. The car is originally out of the Bronx, New York. It
And one day the guys come in, they bought a newspaper, he said there was an old Buick in the garage.
Yeah.
They gave him the address, he went over, it took a year till the guy would sell it, and he bought it. I gave him the battery, he put the battery in, the car started right up, he took the battery out for some reason, it was in the basement.
Hi, this is a 63.5 Falcon Sprint, 2-door hardtop. It was only made for about 6 months, not even that. Came with a 260 V8. This one has a 289 Mustang engine in it with a 4-speed and a 380 rear end. Bucket seats, and it's a lot of fun to drive.